Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 23 from the Directorate of Education with your unit, the fundamental unit of life, and today our new topic is endoplasmic reticulum. Gyan asked Jigyasa Didi, how does endoplasmic reticulum look like and what is its function in a cell? So students, today we discuss about the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum and its function. Gyan, endoplasmic reticulum, it is a large network of membrane bound tubes sheets which look like the long tubule or oblong bags called vesicle. So student, ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, it is a large network of membrane bound tube. As you see there, it is a large network of the membrane bound tubes or vesicles. Student, it is of two types. First is our rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is called RER, and second one is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is called SER. So what is the difference among SER and RER? Let's move. RER. So student, RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is rough in appearance because it has small particles called ribosomes on its surface. So it is rough due to the appearance of ribosome. Got it? And move to the smooth. Smooth endoplasmic is smooth because it doesn't have ribosome on its surface. Its structure is like that. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is a membrane bound network of the tubes and sheets or vesicle. It is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, as you see here. What is the difference among rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Rough endoplasmic reticulum has a rough surface because it has small particles called ribosome attached to it, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosome, so it is very smooth in appearance. How can we differentiate, student? This is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum, as there is no type of ribosome attached on it. Okay, so this is our SCR. And what is the picture of RER? Like that. And on its surface, so this is our RER. So what is the difference between RER and SCR? RER has rough appearance due to the presence of ribosome, and SCR is very smooth due to the absence of ribosome. Second point, RER is help in the manufacturing of protein. And second point, SCR helps in the manufacturing of fats and lipids. The third one point is RER is also send all necessary information for the synthesis of protein. And for SCR, the third one point is, student, this, it helps in the detoxification of poison and drugs. Got it? Next is our membrane biogenesis. What is membrane biogenesis? The production of the membrane is driven by endoplasmic reticulum. When the proteins and lipids help in the formation of cell membrane, this process is called the membrane biogenesis. Endoplasmic reticulum, student, also provide the surface for the biochemical activities. It also serves as the channel. Okay, and it forms the network of the cell. So we can add one more point to here. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is called protein factory. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is known as lipid factory, lipid or fat factory. So here you got 4 differences between SER and RER. Okay, and what are the 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum? Rough and smooth. So let's move to its exercise. Name and differentiate between 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum. So student, this is our first answer. 2 types and differences among RER and SER. Second question. Write the function of ribosome. Ribosome, what is the function of ribosome? Synthesize protein. Third one, what is membrane biogenesis? So it is your third answer, that is, what is membrane biogenesis? When lipid and protein help in building the cell membrane during cell division. Why RER is rough in nature? Because ribosomes are attached on it. I think this worksheet about endoplasmic reticulum is clear up to you, and if you like this worksheet, like, share and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the earliest notification of next video. Thank you.